is not growing very big. Neither is the kohlrabi. And I can't remember what that is right there. So yeah, these ones with the purple, those are the purple kohlrabis. Oops. I think the major failure on this is the fact that it's not staying together anymore. And this is what I get for paying $60 for it off Overstock. So the fact that you can see the in between the slats there, the roof panels, it's just letting too much cold air in. And so once it warms up during the day from the sun, it's just not staying warm. So maybe I'll try covering it with a layer of 6mm plastic and see if that helps.